wanted to end the day.
What the hell just happened, Sal? Oh my god.
What's happened to your car?
What'd you do? What was that? Oh no.
Hopefully nothing happened to the car.
Oh my god.
What happened? Oh my god.
All this for me. Wonder why they're not utilizing the tow hook.
Oh no, there's stuff coming off.
Not how I wanted to end the day. Well, this just happened. A lifted pickup truck dropped its hitch in the middle of the road, and I couldn't avoid it. Ran over it and shredded the whole bottom of the car. Transmission fluid everywhere. A bunch of haters on the road were either laughing or yelling at me on how much oil was spewing out from underneath the car. I hope they can fix her.